Today is the day. I am going to drive this car now to the TÜV, to the technical inspection, and just wish me luck. I think I have fixed all the relevant problems for the technical inspection, for the MOT. Let's see what they say. Wish me luck. Waiting my turn to get inside the technical inspection building. So here we go. The car didn't get the technical inspection, and there is several remarks. The first problem is related to the handbrakes. As you can see, the values here: 200 decanewton on the left and 90 decanewtons on the right. So the grip of the handbrakes is not equal between the left and the right wheels, and clearly in the right wheel the grip is too low. The second problem is related to the headlights adjustment system. The level adjustment of the right headlight is not working, so there I believe it is the servo motor which is kaput. The other issue is the fog lights. The two sides are not at the same level. In my case, the left fog light was too high.
It's about 25 centimeters, 28. 29.
And the last problem, which I couldn't understand, is the ball joint on the left wheel. The technician is claiming a play there, but honestly I couldn't feel anything there. I ended up giving up the discussion with him, and I said, okay, let's put it on the list. Well, all these problems, as you can see, are marked with EM, which means a significant issue. In other words, a big problem that disqualifies the car from getting the technical inspection. But hey, there are some good news too. The car passed the emission control perfectly and without a single remark. You know, I had a doubt about the low compression in 1 or 2 cylinders, and this could have an influence on the exhaust gas results. But well, it seems that there is no issue with that cylinder. The car runs well, revs well, and starts well. And to be optimistic, these problems are easy to solve, and the next video will be about the replacement of the ball joint, which is, in my opinion, the biggest pain on the body job. As you know, the ball joints on this Volvo are not easy to replace. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.